EasyPeasie veggie blends are here to rescue you from the veggie fight. Now even your pickiest eater can try veggies with every meal. As a mom, pediatrician, teen, we know the veggie struggle is real. When your kids are resisting healthy foods, dinner time can be stressful, overwhelming, and unpleasant. Experts agree that kids need repeated tastes of veggies before they take a liking to them. But how do you get this kid to taste? Well, now you've got EasyPeasie. Our veggie blends are 100% dried and ground vegetables, mild flavored and super easy to add to all of their favorite meals and snacks. Start with something they like and add some new veggie flavors. EasyPeasie.